Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make goma cookie. Goma means sesame, so it's very simple shortbread type sesame cookies. It's my family's favorite, very nutty and toasty. When I made this last time, it was all gone before I knew. I hope you and your family like it too. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. 100 grams of cake flour, 90 grams of butter, 40 grams each of sugar and sesame seeds. I'm going to roast the sesame seeds first, so let's put it in the frying pan. Turn the heat on and roast it until you start to smell nutty, toasty flavor. The heat is always low. Make sure you don't burn it. Roast it for 2 to 3 minutes and I'm already smelling the toasty flavor. Let's get the heat. Now, using food processor or grinder, let's grind it. It's smelling so good. Butter, room temperature. And sugar in a large bowl. And mix it well until it's nice and fluffy. Like this. Let's shift the flour into the bowl. And the sesame all in. And fold it into mix. Until everything is well combined. Prepare plastic film. Put the cookie dough and make it into long bar shape. It's about 30 centimeters. Then wrap it with the film. Make it even. And chill this in the fridge, at least half an hour. It's been chilled for half an hour, and it's time to slice and bake it. So prepare an oven tray lined with parchment paper. Remove the film. And slice it into 7 to 8 millimeters. Let's put them on the oven tray. Make sure to leave some space between the cookies because they will expand. Okay, let's put it in the oven. 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Bake for 20 minutes. Cool them down to room temperature and it's done. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.